The Viagra Falls. What in the cocktail is that? I mean, you come across drinks, and you know, normally I banter about cocktails and stuff before I start making the drink, but this one is so crazy, I'm just going to jump right in. Don't know what this is going to turn out like, but the ingredient combination was so intriguing, I just had to try. So I'm going to start off with absinthe. It's going to be a 3/4 ounce pour of absinthe. Nice aniseed, wormwood, very licorice smelling beverage. And believe it or not, we're going to pair that with sour apple schnapps. I kid you not. I told you, this is a weird drink. It's a weird name. But sure enough, it was on Difford's guide. So we're going to give it a shot. Follow it up with some chilled water. About 1 3/4 ounces of chilled water. Oh yeah. A few dashes of Angostura orange bitters. And some ice. Let's just shake it up. Oh yeah. The description said that it was apple and aniseed, and that'll definitely rise your pecker. Yeah, I kid you not. Strain the mixture off. Yeah. Ooh. Nice big strain there. And some orange zest. Nice little orange zest. Rub that around the outside. On the stem. Plop it right in the top. And this is Viagra Falls. What can I say? There's not much to say. It's not terrible. I mean, it's not terrible. It's kind of light. A little bit on the refreshing side. Actually, I don't think it would be that bad if you would take the chilled water out, shake the orange bitters, the schnapps, the absinthe together, strain it, and then top it up with a little bit of sparkling water or tonic or something. To give it a little bit of a fizz, maybe a little carbonation to lighten it up a little bit. I think that would be a nice combo here. It's not awful. Like I thought it was going to be just terrible. Yeah, I almost think there's too much water. Too much water for my liking. But whatever. It's not as bad as I thought, though. So that's what Viagra Falls tastes like. If you got any crazy drinks you'd like to see me try and include in What the Cocktail type series, then let me know in the comments below. If you want to see even more stuff that I'm making and drinking, hit subscribe down below, the bell icon. You'll get notified anytime I post anything new. Until next time, thanks for watching this. Hey, let's drink.